It's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing something special. I will be putting in some clip-ins. Don't mind my AirPods. I usually watch a lot of videos while I do my hair. It just passes the time. But today I'm going to be putting in some clip-ins. I do not intend to have my hair out. We're going to be trying the no leave out clip-in method. Guys, I saw this on YouTube. I forgot who it was. I'll try to link her video down below. So for the style I'm going to be using To All My Black Girls Hair. I've used them in the past. I'll try and link that video down below. Awesome hair, very soft, and this is what the packaging is looking like. Pretty decent, I'm not going to even lie. And I'm going to be using the Kinky Straight in 22 inches. This is very soft, guys, and it also looks just like my hair. As you can see here, the kinks are there, especially towards the end of the hair, and you can easily comb through it, run your fingers through it. I had no issues with this. And I was actually shocked with how long the hair is. Can you guys see how long that is? You'll see at the end of the video how long this bad boy is. The package comes with 5 different strips. So we have here the strip with 5 clips, and then we have the strip with 4 clips, and then 3 clips, and then we have 2 more with 2 clips. So my hair is in sections for another video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this back because you can always put clip-ins on anything, to be honest. So I just decided to pull it back. Once I get done with that, I'm gonna pin up the ends of my hair just to make sure everything is, I guess, secured. I'm going to go ahead and start with the 3 clips. As you can see here, the clips unclip very easily. Have no issues with that. And then I'm going to be putting it at the nape of my hair because I hate seeing when, you know, the back of my hair or the back of anyone's hair is like all empty and stuff. Nah, that don't make no sense. So I'm going to go ahead and act as if it's a jigsaw puzzle and just put the hair where I feel like hair is missing or hair needs to be, technically the same thing, and make sure that it's all even. You don't have to sweat the installation process. Guys, it is so simple. As you can see, the hair is so full, and this is just the first pack. I'm gonna go ahead and just do that all over my hair. Then I'll show you guys the no leave out method. Can you guys see how full my hair is? And I think this is the second pack. Overall, I used 3 packs. Do you see how long this hair is? This reminds me of my hair, for sure. Alright, the no leave out method. So I do it a little bit different from the girl I was talking about, but I'm going to use a comb and kind of split the hair into 2. Using a comb or the rat tail of a comb. Guys, just take your time and do this. You can go in and out, kind of creating that checkered look. It's not really checkered, but just to give you guys a brief a reference as to what I'm talking about. Yeah, just take your time, make sure you get the hair. You don't want to take too much from one side because you'll have a patch or you'll have hair missing there. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate the hair with the comb and my fingers. This one is a little bit tricky because the hair isn't attached to anything, but I made it work. So now that we have it in half, as you can see, we're going to put the clips on the side that we want to clip it on and that piece that we split apart on the other side and just clip in between the hair. Now I'm just pulling over the hair, and as you can see, looks seamless to me in a sense. Like, you can't really tell. You can tell a little bit close up, but looks good to me. Shit. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other side just in case you guys missed it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Your girl put on some makeup because it's been a while. But as you can see when you come up close, it's not looking too bad. You guys can let me know in the comments down below how I did. Would you guys ever try this? Have you guys ever tried this? And although I did use 3 packs, I believe you guys can get away with 2 packs. So don't be afraid to kind of get out of your comfort zone and try something new. That's what I use my channel really for, is just to try different things. Honestly, if I didn't have this channel, I'll probably be doing twist outs for the rest of my life. That's all I do. That was my go-to style. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. I'm not gonna even lie, I get really humbled and, you know, thankful that 6,000 of you guys actually subscribe to my channel. I want to say a special shout out and a special thank you to all my black girls. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. You guys should definitely check them out. I'll leave all the details to the hair and to their website down below in the description box. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.